Hey, One Luck Irish guy here. Today I want to tell you about Kenny Chesney's Blue Cherry Premium Rum. Now maybe you didn't hear of this, but the country star Kenny Chesney is putting out a line of rums. Now I have here the coconut, vanilla, banana, and white rum. They do make a coconut spiced rum, and they have 4 rum creams. But these are the ones that I have here. Now my wife has always been a big fan of Malibu. But when she tried Blue Cherry, she will have no other coconut. Immediately when you open up a bottle, you can smell the difference. And in terms of the taste, the flavor profile, this really comes forward in any drink that you make. So I'm going to be putting out videos featuring this Blue Cherry. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss them. Now I'm not affiliated with Blue Cherry in any way. We just really think they're spectacular. And I wanted to bring them to your attention. Make you aware of it. And also remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail.